Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to connect your HANA system to the solution manager like your SLD. Suppose if you want to configure your HANA system in solution manager, and so first step is you need to connect your HANA system to your SLD, which is system landscape directory. So how to do it? So it is very simple. So you can do it from the HDB LCM tool. So you just need to go to OS level. So there are different ways you can connect your HANA system to SLD from OS level, from GUI also. But OS level is more simpler. So I am going to show you the OS level. So you can see I am on my HDBLCM directory. So you can find it on the slash HANA shared your SID and then HDBLCM. So once you are here, so just put command dot slash HDBLCM. So once you will enter this command, so you will see the various options. So here you can see there is one option configure SLD. So index is number 2. So this index can vary maybe depending upon version. So this number can vary. But for me the configure SLD is number 2. So just say number 2 and enter. So here you can put the SLD hostname. So whatever SLD you have in your organization, so just give hostname of your SLD. So I'm giving hostname dot like dns.com. So you can give your hostname. So once you put the hostname, just enter and then port. So just enter the port of your SLD. So like for example, my port is 8100. So enter the port. Then username. So give any SLD username. So you will have your user in your SLD. Just give name and then click on enter. And here you can give the password. So once you put the password, again enter. So whether is it HTTPS or not HTTPS, you can declare here. For example, my Solman or my SLD is not HTTPS, so I will say no. So you can see default bracket n is there. So just enter. So once this is done, summary will come. So in summary, you can see all the details, whatever you filled, and it is asking us whether to continue. So just say yes and enter. So once you enter, so basically your HANA system will be get connected to your SLD, and you can see that all details over there. So you can see it is message showing that registration of system landscape directory is configured. So my HANA system is connected to SLD. So this is how you can do from the OS level, as I said. So there is another method from GUI level, but I would recommend this because this is more simpler and quickly you can do. So that's it for this session. So if you want to um, see, or if you want to have such kind of sessions in HANA and cloud, then you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.